guys? It's your girl, Allie.
And her friend Kayla. In the previous video, Allie showed you whip, drop, and do dynamic. Now this time, she's going to show you something else, and I have no idea what it is. Nope. So let her tell you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a burpee. Ready?
Burpee like this?
No, like this.
Yeah, that's
Just
so
kidding,
cool.
guys.
What?
The real point of the video
The real point of the video
is to show my little, homegirl here.
I ain't her little homegirl. I'm a year older than her.
Okay, she's my big homegirl then. Okay, so
That just makes me sound fat.
okay, then a homegirl.
Yeah, that's better.
I'm gonna show her how to do the whip, the drop, and then
Well, I got the drop, so we're gonna have to be facing this way though. Actually, no, you can go first and show me how to do it, and I'll be in the background, and then I'll try to do it
So
myself.
you're gonna have one hand like this,
My right hand.
then you go whip.
Whip it.
No, don't bring your hand over the bar. Go whip.
Whip.
Yeah, just bring one foot like this. Go hand like this. Lean over a little. Go whip. Okay, and then drop. Okay, go
Drop. That's how you gotta do that.
Yeah, and then the nene. Have one hand here,
One hand here,
one hand up,
one hand up.
and then go. Okay, now let's see her whip drop and nene.
Yeah. Allie said she was gonna do a little Einstein song for me.
Okay,
She'd be like going on a trip. My favorite rocky
Shut
trip.
up.
Okay, yeah, that's not my dance.
Okay, one, and do the whip, and do the nene. Watch her whip and drop.
You're going too fast.
Okay.
Let me just do the moves of the song. I'll just say
I'll
song.
go my beat. Okay, now fast.
That was how I did it, and that was terrible, guys.
Okay, so
I'll never learn how to nene because I
we're
am.
going a little faster. We're gonna go a little faster now, and that's kind of right.
I was just kidding.
Okay, go. Okay, so a little bit faster. And watch her whip, hey, and do the nene. Watch her whip and drop and do the nene. Sorry, my dog's in the hallway. Hey guys,
Well, got to run our video. Bye. That was actually good. The dog bucked me out for some of it, so you didn't see my